Generators can be really noisy. That's why I made this noise reduction shed to help soundproof this generator. Today we'll be sound testing this sound shed to see just how well it works. But what about heat buildup? We'll be heat testing this generator with and without the sound shed to see if heat is even an issue. Today on cameras we have Fred Jr. and look who stopped by from our sister channel. It's Roger.
Hi guys, head on over to the Camping Tips and Tricks channel. Please check it out. Today we are at beautiful Lake Mead National Park at the Boulder Beach Campground. And tomorrow we will be doing an unboxing video for a tent.
Here's a rundown of the key features of this sound shed. It has 7/16 plywood construction, a slanted roof to drain off rainwater, and a 3-speed 7-inch USB fan. And our soundproofing material is this polyester flame retardant acoustic panels. This entire box collapses down on hinges, making it extremely portable. And the whole thing only weighs 38 pounds. Before we do sound testing, let's heat test this box. For heat testing, we'll use a dipstick thermometer in the oil. I'll put these digital thermometers inside the box. This generator does not have a carbon monoxide sensor, so we'll use this one to see if carbon monoxide is an issue. We're gonna let this generator run for about 20 minutes to warm up, and then we'll begin the heat test. It's been about 20 minutes. Let's plug the camper in and run the AC, and we'll run it for 1 hour and document the temperatures. All right, this thing's been running for about an hour. Let's take a look at our oil temperature. 210, 205, 210. Looks like about 210. Let's check in on the two sensors on the top. The sensor number 1, which is in the back, is 81 degrees, and so is the sensor in the front. Let's put the sound box on it, and we're gonna run it for 1 more hour. It's been about an hour. Let's check in on our sensors and our oil temperature. Looks like the rear sensor in the back is 85 degrees. And then the sensor in the front, 87.6 degrees. And our oil temperature over here is 216 degrees. The outside air temperature today is right around 80 degrees. So what's our heat verdict? Well, without the box, our oil temperature was 210 degrees. With the box, we were only 216. And then with no box, our two sensors on the top were 81 degrees, and with the box, in the back of the box, we had 85 degrees, and at the front of the box near the exhaust, it was 87 degrees. And the carbon monoxide sensor, I haven't heard a peep out of it. This fan moves a lot of air. I got a wind speed of about 8.9 miles per hour. I don't know how to convert that to cubic feet per minute. Maybe if one of you guys know, leave a comment down below. For our sound testing, we'll take a decibel reading here at 0 feet and out here at 25 feet. Let's call that 72 decibels. 72 decibels using this meter. Let's go out to 25 feet and take a reading. Looks like 59, 60 decibels standing out here at 25 feet. And that is with no sound shed. Let's put the sound shed on, see what kind of difference we get. Looks like 68 decibels. 68 decibels when we put on the sound box. Let's go out to 25 feet. Looks like 53. Standing out here at 25 feet with the sound box, we've got 53 decibels. So let's crunch some numbers. At 0 feet, we had a noise reduction of 4 decibels. And out at 25 feet, we had a noise reduction of 7 decibels. That's significant. And as far as heat goes, I don't see a problem. Leave a comment and let us know what you think about this thing. And let us know what you think about our testing methods.
And to get your hands on some cool merch like this, go to MrFredsDIY.com.
Thanks for watching.